welcome to the Pacific Echo.
For this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Pythagorean equation in a given problem. So here we have a problem statement there with a question. So let's look at the problem statement. A surveyor is surveying a piece of land and needs to mark a straight boundary across it, and this is the piece of land right here. Alright, so one side of the land measures 8 meters and the other side measures 15 meters, forming a right angle right there. Right, so instead of working around the edge, he uses a shortcut by measuring straight across the land. Now the question is, what is the length of this shortcut or the diagonal boundary? And this is the diagonal boundary right here. Alright, so what is the length of this shortcut or diagonal boundary? Alright, so we are going to find the length of this diagonal boundary. Alright, so in order to find the length of this diagonal boundary, we are going to use Pythagorean equation, the equation of Pythagorean. Okay, so the equation of Pythagorean is a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared. Right, so we are going to use this equation, the Pythagorean equation. Alright, so we are going to use these measurements. We will substitute these measurements into this into the Pythagorean equation. Right, so a squared is a squared and b is 15 squared, which is equals to c squared. Right, so the first step is to square the side. So 8 squared is equals to 64 plus 15 squared is equals to 225. Now the second step is we are going to add the results. Alright, so 64 plus 225 is 289. Alright, so we have 289 after adding 64 with 225, and this is not our final answer. The final step is we are going to find the square root of this number. Alright, so we go c squared is equals to 280 9. So the value of c is equals to 17. Alright, so there we go. C is equals to 17. The final answer, or our final answer, is the length of the diagonal line. The length of this diagonal line is 17 meter. There we go.